Alrighty. Transformer has 340 primary, 8900 secondary. So it's definitely a step-up transformer. Let's draw that thing, right? 340. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, and NS is 8900. Is 8900. That's a lot of windings. I wonder if you can actually do that many windings. Okay, what is the voltage in the primary if there's a secondary voltage of 343? Volts, AC. This has to be AC, right? DC doesn't work. V primary is equal to, we don't know. Okay, what is the primary current if the secondary is 130 milliamps? So our secondary is 130 milliamps. What is the primary? We don't know. Okay. So let's figure out our voltage first. So I'm going to use V primary over V secondary is N primary over N secondary. So voltage in the primary over 343 equals 340 over 8900. All right, I think we can do this. Let's see. I'm going to go this times this divided by this. Okay, so 343 times 340 divided by 8900. I'm getting 11, and that's not right. So what did I do wrong? 343. Oh, I typed 313. 343 times 340 divided by 8900. I'm getting totally the wrong. Okay, I'm getting okay. So the voltage in the primary is a mere 13.103 volts. Right? And then now let's find the current, right? We're going to have way more voltage in the secondary and then higher voltage in the primary. So then, so in the primary, we have to have a lot more current, right? If we got more voltage in the secondary. So let's just set this up, right? So I primary over I secondary is going to be N secondary over N primary. There's some IB formula that's kind of like this, right? Okay, so I primary, we don't know. I secondary is 130 milliamps. Is N secondary 8900 over NS 340. So I'm going to go this times this divided by this. So 130 times 8900 divided by 340 is 3402.9. 3402.9, which is of course 3.40 amps, really, right? That's how many milliamps it is. You can write either answer if you want. Obviously, we can also do this using power in equals power out, right? So I primary, V primary. This is the power in equals I secondary, V secondary, right? So I primary, which we don't know, times 13.103 is equal to 3 I secondary, so 130 milliamps, and that's volts, times 343. So 130 times 343 divided by that voltage that I got. And I get exactly the same thing, right? I get that the primary is 3402.9 milliamps. Yet I also get the understanding that power in equals power out, which I think is important.